guys, it's Gentry.
And I'm Michaela.
And now that we know the purpose behind our guide for our branding and what it is, we are so excited to share with you guys how to use it effectively.
Yeah, so utilizing the different colors and fonts and different symbols will help to share your chapter's story. Now, we want you to utilize this branding kit, but it doesn't replace your school's guidelines for social media posting. So please make sure to check in with your administrators and your advisors before utilizing this kit on social media.
That's a great tip, Michaela. Let's dive in a little deeper on how to use this.
Let's take a look at these examples as well as the instructions on how to access, edit, and use each. The first template can be used to share spotlights. For example, student spotlights, officer spotlights, SAE spotlights, and so many more. The title can be edited to fit your post. The text box can be resized, moved, or deleted as needed. This template is a great way to showcase photos of your impressive members of your special chapter.
The second template is very adaptable for announcements and more. This template can be used to share long text posts. The text and/or photos can be added to any box as needed. The title text box can be moved to a different color box as needed. You may also leave boxes blank if the extra space is not necessary.
Last but not least, the third template aims to share what your chapter is up to. This template can be used to share photos from events. We recommend using this template as a cover photo and adding additional event photos to the post after it. The corduroy bar can be made transparent and moved up or down as needed. It can also be made wider in the event the title is long enough to need a second row. The Missouri FFA logo should be deleted if it is in the way of the title. First, you'll need to create a free Canva account if you don't already have one. Then, you'll paste the link to these templates provided in the guide into your browser. Click Use Template for New Design, and a file should open with all three templates, including these instructions on how to make a copy before editing, so that you can always have the template file to pull from.
Thank you for tuning in on our creative journey.
We are so happy that you guys stuck with us and watched these videos, and we can't wait to see how you use our branding kit to share your agricultural story.
See you next time.
Bye.